halo-halo, no? Kasi alam niyo naman na may farm yan dyan sa lugar na yan. Eh. May farm. Ang Taal ay farming yan. So, andyan na lahat na makikita natin. May mga na-recover na mga animal remains, may human, at mix-mix na ang ating mga tinitingnan ngayon na mga... Kaya kasama sa ating processing dyan, ang pag-differentiate kung ito ba ay animal origin or human origin. In terms of cross-matching, kumuha na kami ng mga standards sa mga kins, sa mga kapamilya ng mga missing sabongero. Pero, you know, for the details of this case, we are deferring to the spokesman or to the direction of the DOJ. The DOJ is the one leading, and we are fully supporting and providing the technical support, especially on the processing of the remains that are recovered in Taal by our divers from the Philippine Coast Guard naman. So this is a whole government approach, and the DOJ has the lead. So please direct your questions to the SOJ and his deputies or his authorized spokesman.
Yes, sir. Pero sir, can you just state lang po yung projection natin? Gaano katagal yung buong process na ma-cross-match?
Well, ang cross-matching ng mga remains to the possible kins na nagbibigay ng mga standards is mabilis lang naman yan. Pero hindi natin mabigyan talaga ng oras dahil hindi nga natin alam ang mga complications na mag-arise kasi this is a technical process, very technical examination. So I just would like to give a timeline for it.